182, 185. Alright, so these bone-in chops have rested. So let's get them on the plate. Let's see what we did. I'll just take this one here. Look at that. Oh man. Lordy, that citrus flavor really pops in this. You know, I soaked it for a little over 19 hours. It was just the time that I had. And threw it on the kettle with some cherry wood and seasoned it with Uncle Steve's Gator Shake lightly, because you can go too heavy with this. But you get the citrus punch from this and the orange citrus from this. They pair very well together. And I mean, that is a flavor bomb going off in my face. Alright, y'all, that's all I got for this week. So, y'all find something on sale, check it out, see what happens. You might like it. And that's all I got. And remember, there's 2 rules of cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. Y'all are awesome. Have a great week.